Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to show you how we can write a Web 2.0 site WordPress blog. Now we do have our website called Click and Capture Studio, right? And now when we have a look at the URL of Click and Capture Studio, it is clickandcapturestudio.com. Now what do we mean by Web 2.0 site? It is some other site where we are going to make a use to create a blog so that on the blog we write the content and then we keep the backlinks, and anyone who clicks on the backlink they will be redirected to the clickandcapturestudio.com. Now in the last video we have talked about the Web 2.0 site which is WordPress, right? So in the next step I can see the URL of the WordPress is clickandcapturestudio.wordpress.com. It is something that we have created. We have created an account in the wordpress.com which is completely free so that we can start writing the blogs which are unlimited, and then we can keep the backlinks on this particular website, so that anybody who reads the blog they will be redirected to the main website which is clickandcapturestudio.com. And what is the main reason for me to choose the wordpress.com? Now it is very much important for us to get the backlinks from a reputed websites which have genuine audience and much more traffic. And how are we going to define that? So it is very much important for us to know about the domain authority of that particular website. Now I will be talking about the domain authority in a while, maybe in the next upcoming videos very briefly, but now I want to check the domain authority of wordpress.com. So what I'll be doing, I'll be taking the copy of the wordpress.com and then I will be navigating to the websites where we can check the website authority or the domain authority. Now there is a website called rfs.com, and in the rfs.com what we can do, we can directly enter the domain and we are going to paste the website name which is WordPress, and we can check the authority of wordpress.com. Now as soon as I click on check authority, it takes around 2 to 3 seconds of time, and we can clearly see the domain authority or the rating is 94 for the website WordPress, and it have 147 million backlinks. And here we can see the linking websites number is 4,28,000. And always remember that the higher the domain rating, the more good the website is. So the wordpress.com is very much perfect for us to write the blog, and then we can keep the backlinks in the blog which will be redirected to our main website which is Click and Capture Studio. Now how are we going to write the blog in the Web 2.0 site which is clickandcapturestudio.wordpress.com? So always remember that the very first thing that I would like to do is maybe select a design which is here, and then I want to click on select a design. It takes me to the page where I can pick the design. I think in the last video we are in this exact part, right? So the Click and Capture Studio is one of the business, so I want to choose the design which is from business. And when I click on business, it takes me to the page where I can see a lot of templates. And also remember that not all of these templates are completely free. Here we can see a tag called upgrade. Now when I keep my mouse on the upgrade, it clearly showing that this particular theme is included in the personal plan, which means we have to pay some amount in order for us to use this particular theme. And I do not want to pay any of the amount right now, and here I can see 2025 and this theme which is completely free and we can make a use. But there are few other themes maybe we can try. I want to scroll down a little bit and I want to find maybe some of the themes which are really free. And here I can see fewer, it is completely a free theme. So what I want to do, I want to select this particular theme and then I want to click on continue. And once I click on continue, maybe it takes a little bit of time, and then it takes me to the page where I can see the WordPress dashboard. And here we can clearly see our site is ready and we can edit the site. But what is our main goal? We have already selected the theme, and what we are going to do in this video, we are going to write a Web 2.0 site WordPress blog. And how are we going to write the blog in the Web 2.0 site? It is very much similar as how we have written the blog in the Click and Capture Studio website. Now in the WordPress, we can directly see the option called post, and then we have to click on add a new post, and that is how we can write the blog inside the WordPress. Now let me click on add new post. It takes me to the page where we can start writing a new blog, and here we have to give the blog title, and then we have to start writing the blog content. And I have already prepared the blog, and here it is, and I've written one of the blog called Top Wedding Photography Services in Hyderabad. because the Click and Capture Studio is all about wedding photography, model photography and product photography. In this particular blog, I want to highlight wedding photography, and since Click and Capture Studio is located in Dilsukhnagar, Hyderabad, I want to write a blog called Top Wedding Photography Services in Hyderabad, and I want to take the title copy and then I want to paste it right here. And once it is done, I want to start copying the content. Now always remember that we have to spend around 5 to 10 minutes of time in order for us to complete this particular blog, which should look very good, neat and clean. So what I'll be doing, I'll take 5 to 10 minutes of time and then I will show you how we can keep the backlinks on this particular blog, and it will be very much clear for you. Alright, I have taken just 2 to 3 minutes of time, frankly 5 minutes of time, and I have completed writing the blog, which means whatever the blog that I have written and pasted in the WordPad, I have just taken the copy and then I have pasted in this particular blog. And once it is done, what is our main objective? In the clickandcapturestudio.wordpress.com, which is the web 2.0 site, we want to keep n number of backlinks that redirects the backlinks directly to the clickandcapturestudio.com, the main website. So what we have to do? We have to place the backlinks. Now, whenever someone clicks on the Click and Capture Studio, they have to be redirected to Click and Capture Studio homepage. So what we have to do? We have to take the copy of the Click and Capture Studio homepage and then we have to come back to the blog, and then once we have highlighted that particular text, all we have to do is we have to click on link and then we have to paste that particular link so that anybody while reading this blog, when they click on Click and Capture Studio, they will be landed directly on the Click and Capture Studio website. And then the Click and Capture Studio is located in Dilsukhnagar, Hyderabad. So what I want to do, I want to take the copy of the text and then I want to click on link, and here I want to paste the address. And how will I be able to do that? Quickly, I want to navigate to Google and then I want to search for Click and Capture Studio. And once I pull the Click and Capture Studio Dilsukhnagar address, all I have to do is I want to take the copy of this link and then I want to navigate back to the blog and then I want to paste the link right here so that anybody who clicks on this particular address, they will be directly landed onto the Click and Capture Studio Google Maps page. Alright, it is very much important for us to use the backlinks all over the blog. We have to publish the blog by clicking on the save button, and once it is done, the post is updated and then we have to click on view post. Here we can see that I have published this particular blog, and then if anybody really likes this blog, they will leave the comment. We can reply back to them, and since we do have n number of backlinks onto this particular blog, anybody who really interested in our services, they can directly click on Click and Capture Studio and then they will be coming to the Click and Capture Studio main website. So writing a web 2.0 post blog completely for free, it is very much useful to create the n number of backlinks from multiple websites. It is very much important to write the content which is user friendly and it should be 100% plagiarism free. And here I have mentioned why choose Click and Capture Studio, and then I have given few reasons what makes it special. I have given the details and then I have entered the location and I have given the contact numbers, everything which is really needed for any person to obtain or maybe to get the services related to wedding photography. And also I clearly mentioned that if other studios charge just 1 lakh for their services, we can provide the same level of work at 20 to 30% less cost without compromising on quality. Any user or maybe the customer who is looking for the wedding photography, if they read this particular point, what they will be doing, directly they will be clicking on the Click and Capture Studio contact number and then they will be reaching out to us. At the end of the day, we are getting the leads even through the web 2.0 post by writing the proper content. If you really find this video helpful, I want to continue watching all my digital marketing classes. And by the way, if you are new to my channel, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel. There you can find the playlist Digital Marketing, where I have did more than hundreds of videos, and it's completely free. All the videos will be short and simple. And if you want to learn digital marketing from me or maybe one-on-one sessions, you can directly have a look at the description where I have posted all the information related to that. I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.